Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Today I am with an application actually which is user friendly and also will help the students and teachers to interact in an effective way. Every teacher will expect what is that called actually, a blackboard or a whiteboard actually to explain his the session or actually explain the subject in a very effective way. So let me give you a whiteboard actually where you can explain your students actually in a very nice way. So let's go to Play Store and install Metamoji Note Lite and just open it. It will ask you for an email ID actually. Just if you want, you give it, or else actually just skip it. Actually already I have installed it, so actually this page has got appeared. So here click on root, R-O-O-T, root is here first. So here actually next is create note. So if you it will ask you for which type of paper you want actually. So many types of papers are here actually. Whichever paper you feel comfortable, you can click on it. So let me use this first paper actually. Here in the lower part you can see one plus button actually, which you will helpful to for us to actually zoom in and zoom out. Actually I'm going to zoom this page like this so that it can fit my screen, and at the same time I am going to see this. I have enlarged like this, and here you can see this the lower section or the left side one by one. If I want two more pages more, so I will click on this plus button. So second page I am in, next and third page I am in, and fourth page I am in, fifth page. So let me first actually by pressing the arrow marks actually I'll move to the first page. So 1 by 5 you can see here. So here I'll explain you in the top section actually. You can see a pencil where it is a blue color and the thickness are given actually. Whichever thickness you want, you can use it, and you want to change the color of the what is that called, pen actually. You can just change black and whichever you feel comfortable. Let's choose the blue one, and then here actually the thickness also you can actually select 28 30, whichever you thickness you want. For example, X plus Y. So actually this thickness is, if you are comfortable with it actually, you can use this. And you want to erase this actually because you don't want it to be actually, it's a wrong thing what you have written. So you can just actually, if you erase this, it will move off. And if you are, for example, after writing down you feel very uncomfortable for erasing, just click on this actually. Next to the eraser, just put a big circle and select it. So once it will get automatically selected. Here it is asking for cut, copy, paste. No, I want to remove it, so select on remove. So once you do this actually, and if selected, and if you ask it for to remove, it will get removed. And next I want to write a text actually here. So this is the one actually, this will get appeared. So here you can write whatever you want, cube, cuboid, square. So whatever you feel actually explaining, you can explain the students. And then actually I want to explain students with photos, and actually which I have already taken. For example, if you're explaining about anything like plants, actually you just take a pic of a plant. Actually if you want to explain about any story, you can just take a pic from the what is it called actually, from the book, and you can explain students regarding this is how it is. So I'm going to use a resolution normal, and here you can see this is the thing. And by using this image actually, you can explain the students. For example, I have one more thing in my phone actually. I can show you realistically how you can explain. So this is something what is that called actually, this is a cuboid. So by using this, you can, how much ever actually you can want, actually you can enlarge this. So this is the one actually. By using this, you can explain the students how many sides are there actually. Sides is actually 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 sides are there. How many corners are there, how many edges are there. So this way actually it will be helpful for you to explain. For example, if you want to explain the students with the help of what is it called with a PDF file or something else, actually even we can have such type of things in us actually. See, automatically once you go back, it will saved here actually. You can see 1 2 3 4 files are saved here. So just click on the 3 buttons actually on the right side, and the next to the plus we have 3 what is it called, horizontal lines. So here once you press this will get open. So here you can see read file. In the read file, if you press on PDF actually, you will get into the PDF. Let it be any PDF actually, whatever I have. So actually this will the rotation, whichever rotation you want actually you can have. In the location actually, how the full page you want, or actually only the side page you want, like let it be actually full page and 0 degree. So done I am. So now this is the thing actually what I want to explain to the students actually regarding some requirement. What is the Chennai Metro Rail Limited. So whatever PDF file actually you want, you can just explain the students regarding the subject, and you can also use any pencil marks actually, so that to explain the students, or actually to make them note of it. So once you are done with this, actually you can press the undo button, everything will go off. So if you do the redo, actually again it will come whatever you have circled it. So this is the way actually you can explain the students in a very effective way. Once you go back, actually it will be get saved automatically. For example, if you don't want all those files, actually you want to delete it, actually just click on the edit the button, and then actually just click select and select all. So once you don't want to delete this the first 2 files actually, and you want to delete the lower 3 files, actually just select all this. Actually there is a tick mark, it has selected. Now press on done button, so it will get deleted. So, and one more thing, if you want to create note, and again you want to press on the actually any button, and actually you can add items, actually whichever items you want. Actually here are few pictures, actually if it is helpful, actually you can add those pictures and explain students. And also if you want to add page, here is actually add page, and recently used notes, if you want to make any notes, actually you can make it. So hope actually this will help you a lot, and also I will try to give you a demo class actually, so that it will be useful for you. And one more thing, what I'm trying to tell you is, when you after capturing this actually video, the entire video, you have to crop your video actually, and even I'm going to explain you how to crop your video in the next video. So kindly share, comment and subscribe my channel, so that you will get all my videos actually next to back in your mobile phone actually. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.